Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay, are we ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. So today in mathematics, we are going to be looking at calculation of range, median, and mode of ungrouped data. Okay? Our topic for today in mathematics is on calculation of range, median, and mode of ungrouped data. So are we ready for the lesson? We are with our books and our pencils or pen to get into today's lesson, right? Okay, good. So we're going to be looking at some examples to help us know how to calculate the range, median, and mode of ungrouped data, okay? So here we have 12, 18, 25, 16, 14, 18, 20, 22, 16, and 25. This is an ungrouped data. So how do we calculate the range, median, and mode? The first step in doing this is to arrange this data given to you in ascending order, okay? Ascending order from the smallest to the biggest. So this data presented to you, you arrange it from the smallest to the biggest. And the smallest number here is 12, right? So you start with 12. The next is 14. You write 14. Is there any other 14? No. The next is 16. You write 16. There's another 16. So you write 16 again. The next is 18. You write 18. There is another 18. You write 18. The next is 20. You write 20. Is there any other 20? No. Next is 22. You write 22. Is there any other 22? No. Next is 25. You write 25. There are two 25. You write the next 25. So when you are done arranging your data in ascending order, you are to calculate the range. The range now, to calculate the range, is the largest value minus the smallest value. Okay? So the largest value here among our numbers is 25, right? And the smallest value is 12. So it's 25 minus 12. And 25 minus 12 is going to give us 13. So the range is equals to 13. Okay? Now to get the median, how many numbers do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 numbers. We have 10 numbers. Since there are 10 values, okay, 10 numbers, the median is the range of the fifth and sixth value, okay? You know the median is the middle number, but here there are 10 numbers. So it will be two numbers that are in the middle. Since 10 is an even number, right? So there will be two numbers at the middle, and the middle numbers between this value is 18 and 18, okay? So it will be 18 plus 18 divided by 2. So the median is equals to 18 plus 18 divided by 2. 18 plus 18 divided by 2 is going to still give you 18, okay? 18 plus 18 will give you 36. 36 divided by 2 will give you 18. So the median is 18, okay? Now the mode is the number that appears more frequently. The value that appears more frequently. And here, which appeared more? We have 216, we have 218, and 225. So 16, 18, and 25 appeared more. So the mode is 16, 18, and 25. Do you understand? So let's look at other examples to help us understand better. We are presented with these values, these numbers: 8, 15, 12, 8, 17, 10, 15, 8, and 20. So the first step is to do what when calculating the range, median, and mode? The first step is to arrange in ascending order, right? From the smallest to the biggest. So you write from the smallest, and the smallest number in these numbers, in these values, is 8, right? So you write 8. there's another 8, you write it, and there's another 8, you write it. The next number is what? We don't have 9, so the next number is 10, you write 10. The next number is, there's no 11, so the next is 12, you write 12, and it's only 1 12. The next is 15, there is no 13 14, so it's 15, you write 15. There are two 15, you write the second 15. The next number is 17, you write 17, and the last number is 20, you write 20. So now you have arranged your data from ascending, right? In ascending, sorry, from the smallest to the biggest. So what do we do next? To calculate the range, remember, is the largest value minus the smallest value, and the largest value here is 20. So 20 minus the smallest value, which is 8. 20 minus 8 was going to give us 12. So the range of this data set is 12. Now to get the median, how many numbers do we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We have 9 numbers. That is an odd number, so the middle number will just be 1. So let's look for the middle number. Here you cancel 1, you cancel another one, you cancel here, 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 you cancel here. So you are left with this as the middle number, 12. Okay, 12 is the middle number. The first digit cancel the next digit. This one cancel this one cancel the next, and this one cancel the next. Only this number is left. So the middle number of these digits is 12. So the median is 12. Okay, and the mode is the number that appeared more, right? The number that appeared more here is 8, right? 8 appeared 3 times, so 8 is the mode. So this data set, the range is 12, the median is 12, and the mode is 8. Okay, do you understand? I hope you are not confused. It's easy, right? The first step is to arrange from the smallest to the biggest. Then the range, to calculate the range, is the largest value minus the smallest value. Then the median is the middle number. If there are two numbers in the middle, you add them and divide them by 2. And the mode is the number that appeared more, right? Let's look at another example. Here we are presented with 3 digits. We have been looking at 2 digits since, right? So now it's 3 digits. 324, 178, 432, 256, 324, 198, 224, 432, 289, and 256. So what is the first step? The first step is to arrange in ascending order, right? From the smallest to the biggest. So the smallest number here is 178. After 178, the next is 198, the next is 256, the next is 256, the next is 289, the next is 324, the next is 324, the next is 324, the next is 432, the next is 432. So you arrange it from the smallest to the biggest. You know how to arrange numbers from the smallest to the biggest, right? You compare the numbers, okay? Which comes first? When you are done arranging, to calculate the range, remember, is the largest value minus the smallest value. Here the largest value is 432, which is 432, and the smallest value is 178, 178. So it's 432 minus 178. It's going to give you 254. Okay, the range is 254. Now to get the mean, how many numbers do we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We have 10 numbers here, so the middle is going to be 2 numbers, right? 10 is an even number, so there will be 2 numbers in the middle. When you look for those 2 numbers, you will have 289 plus 324 over 2. Okay, let's do it the last way we did it. This first one cancel the last one, this one cancel this one, this one cancel the third one here, this one cancel this one here, so we are left with these 2, right? So 256 plus 324 over 2. 289 plus 324 is going to give us 613 over 2. And 613 divided by 2, if you divide, is going to give us 306.5. So the median is 306.5. The median of this number is 306.5. Okay? And the mode is the number that appeared more. Let's look for the number that appeared more. This is only once, this is only once, this is 2 times, 256 is 2 times, 289 is once, 224 is 3 times, and the last one is 2 times. So the number that appeared more is 324. So the mode is 324. Okay? Do you understand? I hope you are not confused. So if we are presented with an ungrouped data, we'll be able to calculate the range, median, and mode, right? Good. Let's look at the last example. Here we have these numbers. We have to calculate the range, median, and mode. We have 789, 845, 652, 789, 521, 465, 789, 845, and 456. Arrange them in ascending order, okay? From the smallest to the biggest. Have you done that? When you are done arranging, to calculate the range is the largest value minus the smallest value, right? The largest number minus the smallest number. The largest number here is 845 and the smallest is 456. So 845 minus 456 is going to give us 389. So our range is 389, okay? Now to get the median, let's see how many numbers we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 numbers here, so the median, the middle number would just be 1. So if you check, the middle number is 789. So the median is 789. Now let's look for the mode. The mode is the number that appeared more. So which number appeared more here? 789, right? It appeared 3 times. So the mode is 789. Okay? Do we understand? So I'm sure by now we're able to calculate the range, median, and mode of an ungrouped data. Right? Good. So next we're going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment, right? It's easy. Okay, that is good.